back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to do kind of like, I don't know, I'm going to be inspired by this background. So like the blue, the green, and the purple. This is like an underwater background. There's no fish. So I am using this LA Girl Main Stage palette. I haven't used it yet. This is the Desert Dream palette and it looks like this. It does have a nice sized mirror here, so I will be able to use a mirror. And I think I'm going to use like this color, this blue, and like the purple. So somewhere down here, I'm going to try to see if I can kind of be inspired by the background and create like a purple, green, blue look. So I already know I want to take the purple in my crease. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a brush, and there's no names. Wait, there are names. Okay, it's on the back though. So this purple color right here is called Flex, and I'm gonna take Flex in my crease, and I do have tape on. I kind of wish this palette had pink in it, like a pink matte, because I really want to add like a little bit of pink in here, but I'm not going to because I'm just going to use what's in this palette. So I'm just building up this color into my crease. Okay, so this purple isn't as bright of a purple as I would like it, but it does go with the purple that's in the background. So because this purple in the background really isn't that bright either. But the green I'm gonna take is actually going to be like that bright green. Okay, I'm just making sure that the purple is like blended really well. Now for this bright green, I do need to cut my crease because I want the green to stand out. So we're gonna use my Beautybay eye base, and I have been using this like all the time now whenever I cut my crease. So of course I'm gonna cut my crease and then I will come back on camera. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I don't think I was. But anyway, I'm putting this color Shuffle onto the front of my lid, just trying to stay within the area where I cut my crease. And I am going just a little bit further back because I do intend to transition this color with another shade. All right, so I'm going to use, I want to do blue. So these are the two blue shimmer shades down here, but they're darker. And I don't really want to go that dark. So I think I'm just going to have to kind of just making this up as I go. I think I'm going to use this shade here, which is another shimmer shade. It's like a lighter blue. And I'm just going to use this to kind of transition this green to go into blue. And there is fallout with these shimmer shades. Okay. I actually like the way these two colors are mixing together. Okay, so now I want to take the matte blue shades, and we have these two color here. So I think I'm going to start with this shade and then eventually blend this deeper shade in. So the lighter blue shade here is called Sky High, and then this is called Headliner, this one. So we'll take Sky High and then eventually we'll take headliner. And I'm just patting Sky High on. Okay, now we're going to take headliner. The mattes are very pigmented in this palette. I like the shimmers as well, they just have fallout, which isn't that big of a deal for me. And there's some kickback because I kind of see some shadow dust floating around when I first blend it out. But you can always tap off your brush. I just choose not to tap off my brush because I want the pigment. But you can tap it off and just build it up. Okay. I'm just making sure that the dark blue shade is blending in with the purple that I took all the way back here. Okay, I really like that. So now, let's see, I just kind of want to pat, I didn't put anything else on this brush. I just want to pat here to make sure like the blue and the green transition really well. Okay. You kind of can't even see the purple anymore. I know like the purple in my crease isn't as bright, but let me see if I can build it up. I'm just going to take this brush and try to build it up just here in the front. All right, so we've got that color built up. I want to take, let's see, I have this green here. Let me see what this looks like. Looks like that. I kind of need a brighter green. 1 second. So I have a haul that I need to do for this Profusion, and I think I'm going to just go ahead and do the Profusion haul today because there's some things in there that I want to use. So there's this green. Let me see. Okay, looks like that. So I want to take right where I cut my crease, that line, I want to take this and put that there. So let me see if I can do that without completely messing up this look. So these brushes that I bought off of Amazon, it's kind of a little bit thinner than this. Let me see, because this has a pointed tip, so I'm hoping it'll be more precise. I'm just gonna get it on the brush here. I'll try to do one on camera and then the other I'll have to do off because I'm nervous about messing it up. So hopefully you can see. And the green doesn't exactly match the green that's on my lid, but it's still doing something like a pop of color. So Okay. So this is basically my idea. It's just taking that green. I'm gonna go ahead, do the other eye, and then come right back. Hopefully I remember to turn the camera on this time so you don't miss any steps. All right, so I have the eyeliner on here, that bright green, so I like that so far. I don't know if I want to do a black eyeliner and wing it out, or if I want to take the green that I used and wing that out, because I don't want to do too much. I still have to go to work, so I think I'm going to play it safe and use my black eyeliner. So this is the main one that I like to use, just because this is waterproof. This is about $3 or $4, and so it's waterproof. It doesn't smear once I have it on, so it doesn't budge. And that's why I like to use this one above all of my other eyeliners. I do have some really good ones though. I also like to use this Tarte one, but I don't think that this one is waterproof. So my eyes do water a lot, or they get watery on some days. So I have to mainly use like my waterproof stuff. So I'll go ahead, put my eyeliner on, my mascara, do my face, and then come back, and I still need to finish my under eye shadow. All right, so let me tell you what I used for the, so you'll notice that I did this green also, which is a Profusion Electric Bold Liner, and it doesn't say a color, it just says Electric Bold Liner. Obviously it's like a neon green, and I added it just in this portion here over top of my eyeliner, kind of to start where the top portion ended. And then in my waterline, I use this ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, and this is the color Electric Daisy. For my lashes, I decided to use this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original, and this is the color Cobalt Blue. So my eyelashes are blue at the top. You can't really tell though. And now what I'm going to do for my lower lash line is I'm going to use the blue color. And I think what I'm going to do is kind of fade it from this blue to this blue. So I'm going to start with the lighter blue first, and the lighter blue was Sky High, and then headliner is that deeper blue. So I'm just pressing it on. Now that I'm putting the lighter blue on there, I think I want to take that brighter blue all across, but we'll see. Okay, and now we'll take headliner, which is that deeper electric blue. Alright, so let me clean that up a bit. So I'll just take just a nice clean brush, and I'll just brush it in the direction, and that'll help blend it in, and then also it'll kind of dust off. Okay, just like that. And then should I take, for my inner corner, okay, for my inner corner, let's get a highlighter. So I just rearranged like my makeup drawers, so I'm kind of having to dig around and trying to remember where I decided to put what. So I found this highlighter. I just need to get a brush, and this is the Kat Von D or KVD Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter in Gravitron. I remembered liking this when I got it, and this was one of my TJ Maxx finds. Ooh, it went on more intense on this eye, so let me try to pick up more then. Okay, now I have to do my lips. I don't know what color to do on my lips. I guess like a neutral light pink. I don't have anything laying out. Well, actually I do. So I'll just do a gloss. So I'm going to do the Jordana Easy Liner in Tawny, and then the Essence Shine lip gloss. What else do I have here? I have this LA Girl lip mousse on my table in BFF, so I'll just use all these and we'll go ahead and complete our lips. The lips are done. So this is my look for today. Comment down below what you think of this look. Again, I use the LA Girl Main Stage Desert Dream palette. This is affordable. I got it at Ulta. I think it was only $14, $15. But it's an affordable brand. The pigment is there. Profusion, I used this to have this electric green liner to kind of spice up the look a little bit. So I do kind of like how this turned out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.